This pergola literally closes itself when it starts raining, and this is not even the surprising part of this house.
Full outdoor kitchen, built-in grill, sink, beverage, fridge, all under a smart pergola with rain-sensing louver. Inside, the primary suite has its own soaking tub and primary infrared sauna. There is also a second suite with its own bathroom and its own entrance, completely separate from the rest of the house.
One-car garage with EV charging and all inside the Beltway in full charge. Come and mark it and I'll send you the full tour.
But the part that still gets me in that pergola, because it closes itself when